Hello cheaters! Today we're going to talk about how to install the new CheatLayer desktop application. So you will first want to download the zip file from our website. And once you have done that, you will see the CheatLayer desktop zip file in your downloads folder. You'll then want to right click and extract all. This will unzip these files. So when you click this, you'll want to choose a location on your computer and you will want to select a folder and extract all of the files. Once you have extracted the zip file, you want to open up the folder and you will look for an executable in here that is called CheatLayer. You can also just search this folder for CheatLayer. This is the file you will want to run, and you will know it is the correct one because it has the CheatLayer logo next to it. Then you may receive some security notifications. This is okay because this is still in beta. This is technically not published out there, so you may experience some security notifications, but just click yes or allow, whatever you may need to do to get this to run. Then you will see this open up, and we should be prompted for our API key. You can find your API key at cheatlayer.com under the setup menu. So let me just copy over my key. Then click OK. And now you can see this has opened up the new CheatLayer desktop application. And this includes Project Atlas. So be sure to tune in to more of our tutorials here on YouTube. We'll be putting out many more new tutorials to coincide with the release of Project Atlas.